You're about to learn one of the simplest ways to make money online. I'll show you a website that will pay you money for every 2 minutes of work, but there is a catch. If you want to make money online, you must follow every single step shown in this video because it is free. If you're someone who enjoys exploring new software and sharing your thoughts about them, then this might be the perfect opportunity for you to earn some extra income. Whether you're a seasoned tech expert or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to make money by sharing your opinion on software products. And the best part is you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for software into a lucrative online income stream, sit back, relax, and join us as we dive into the world of software review writing. Let's begin with a video tutorial. The first thing you need to do is go to Google. Regardless of the device you're using, whether it's a mobile phone, tablet, laptop, or another internet-connected device, as long as you have an internet connection, I want you to go to google.com. That will be your first tab because, as usual, I'll explain everything in detail step by step so that anyone can follow along with me during this video. The next thing you need to do while using Google is search for the term Capterra. I want you to type in CAPTERRA and hit search. And then I want you to open the first website that says Top Software at Capterra Software and Software Reviews. You'll see this as soon as you get to Capterra.com. This is a location in a platform that will pay you to write various reviews for programs and software. However, don't worry, you don't even have to utilize them. You can complete the task in under 2 minutes, and it is always free. You can see that you can browse over 800 different categories of software and programs. And within each category, there are hundreds of different programs that you can review. So all the products are online right now, and you can review them, and you can review them, and get paid $20 for every 5 minutes of work. If you stick with me, I'll explain in more detail how to do that in less than 2 minutes. You can see that they are proud to offer more than 1 million verified software reviews, and you can easily calculate how much money people made with Capterra.com by doing the math. How to make over $10 repeatedly without having to purchase the software for yourself while demonstrating that this works and that others are making money with this website. You might be wondering why they would pay you $20 for every 5 minutes of labor. And the answer is that the program or product owner is willing to do so because more good comments and 5-star reviews provide them more social proof. The third step for you is to click right here where it says to write a review, which will take you to the next page where you can find thousands of different companies and thousands of different products that you can review and write a review. This allows them to make a lot more sales, so it's a great return on investment for them, which is why they'll pay you $20 for less than 5 minutes of work. When considering purchasing software or a digital product, users are likely to conduct internet searches for the brands and items mentioned previously to learn more about them and find out what customers are saying about them. There are thousands and thousands of other software that you can write a review about and earn money with, so there will never be a shortage of ways to make money with Capterra.com. Moreover, if you go to browse categories, you'll be able to see thousands and thousands of different categories of products that other professionals are using. These are just a few of the most popular software that you can review. As you can see, there is a lot of potential on this website alone. For instance, let's say you want to review the Adobe Acrobat software. Instead of just clicking on it and starting to write the review, here's a really helpful tip that will save you a lot of time and effort. Copy the actual software title. I can see how others are doing it by clicking on this link right here, from which you can get an idea from their reviews and what they said about the software without having to purchase it yourself. Of course, you can change the text a little to make it your own, but don't copy and paste it because that's not going to happen. Now that you are aware of all of that, allow me to give you an example from the real life of how you will complete the review and be compensated. To see it, visit the page I just showed you at the beginning. Simply click on it to be taken to the review to write review page where you'll need to fill out some information about yourself. I'd like you to put your first name, last name, email address, and other basic information. Then it will ask you some additional questions, like how frequently you use this software. I recommend you select an option from daily to weekly rather than monthly or more infrequently. Let's move on to the next one. So click the next button here. At this point, all you need to do is rate the actual software. To determine its overall value and quality, you can simply look at what previous reviewers had to say. This software received a 5-star rating overall, and it is always preferable to do so if the software is truly excellent based on other people's reviews. Let's say 5 for this one, even though these are optional. Now you can write other features, which are also optional, but the more of them you complete, the higher your chances of making money. So if you don't mind, just pick some of these. You don't have to finish them all after that, you'll choose. How Adobe Acrobat's cost compares to similarly priced products, and you'll be able to see if it was significantly too expensive or not at all. Now, how likely are you to recommend this product to others? Then, this is optional. You can leave it blank. However, if you fill it out as well, you have a better chance. You know, the more forms you fill out and the more information you provide, the more money you will make because more software owners will accept your review. Therefore, try not to leave any of this blank where it says optional. Instead, actually fill it out instead of being lazy. It will pay off. Then you can decide whether you switch to another software. You are the person you represent. If you write your real name and last name, your real name, and your real last name, after that, just click submit and you are done with all of this. It will take you less than a minute. Considering you have hundreds of pieces of software on this website, you will not run out of writing reviews. With this, you can easily start making money. This is a new and clever way of making money. If you follow all the steps in the video, you can easily start your journey to gain financial independence. The best part of this method is that it can be accessed through any part of the world, and not to mention, it is beginners friendly, so you don't need any skills to start. Please like, share, and subscribe for more ways to earn money, and press the bell icon for more updates.